How to transfer files from SD card to iPhone. When you want to view, use, or share these backup files on your mobile phone, this is not a difficult task actually. And you even have 3 ways to complete SD card to iPhone transfer. Sync SD card files to iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Disable iTunes AutoSync. Go to Edit Preferences. Devices, prevent automatic syncing. Step 2. Insert SD card into a card reader. Connect it to your computer and plug in your iPhone via USB. Step 3. Open iTunes. Click the phone icon. Step 4. Select the desired category, for example, Photos. Step 5. Enable Sync Photos. Choose Copy Photos from and select the desired files from the SD card. Step 6. Click Apply to start the transfer. Transfer from SD card to iPhone in virtue of computer. Step 1. Insert SD card. Connect to computer. Step 2. Locate desired files on the SD card. Step 3. Create a new folder on your computer. Copy and paste files into it. Step 4. Connect iPhone via USB. Transfer using iCloud, Google Drive, email. Use Apple Camera Adapter to transfer files from SD card to iPhone. Videos and photos only. Insert SD card into Lightning SD card camera reader. Connect to iPhone. Photos videos open in Import tab. If not, click Photos, then Import. Choose Import All or select specific items. Tap Import. How to export data from iPhone. If you would like to perform the exporting process more effectively, you are recommended to use a professional iPhone data transfer software, Mobikin Assistant for iOS. With the help of it, you can export different kinds of files from iPhone to computer easily.